Hey there, crypto fans. My name is Garrett, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Audius's audio token. All right, guys, and as always, if you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right? And also, guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. I like to talk about altcoins. I like to talk about altcoins and day trading and stuff like that on a regular basis. So if you're into that sort of thing, you guys, go ahead. Might as well just give me a follow. Alright guys, so for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I accumulate whenever I possibly can as well. So I like to do these types of videos just to try to figure out where I think the price is going to go in the long term. Now when I'm talking long term here though, you guys, I'm not talking, 3 to 6 months from now. I'm not even talking 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm a long-term investor, so I'm talking like, 3 years minimum, holding on to it. Maybe wait until the next bear or the next bull market, 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, however long it takes for the coin to reach the goal that I'm personally after. So that's, kind of why I do things here. And obviously, guys, I'm not a magician. You don't see a magic ball behind me. So, I can't obviously give you a guaranteed number of where the price is going to go, but I'm an honest guy. So, I try to just, go off of things based off of my own best opinion. So today we're going to go and look into Audius's audio token. Okay. So guys, Audius is currently ranked 106 on CoinMarketCap. It's a very popular project. It's grown quite a bit. And as you guys can see, it's currently priced at, it's currently trading for $1.64 at the time of me filming right now, with a market cap of $848 million and a circulating supply of right around 515.7 million tokens out of, a total supply of about almost 1.1 billion tokens, a little shy of that. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of volume that flows through this project on a daily basis. You guys, you got $27.8 million flowing through this project daily. That is awesome. That is great to see. This project is definitely going somewhere for sure. And as we can see from past price data, you guys, past price data goes back all the way until October of 2020, and then it kind of took up and started going on a hardcore uptrend, towards March of towards the end of March of 2021. So that's awesome to see, nice to see. But as we all know, you guys, when a coin goes up one time, it definitely can go up, higher the next time. So this is definitely not the highest it's going to go, forever. It's obviously going to go higher at some point in time, especially as, more and more money gets put into, gets put into the crypto market in the long term. All these coins are going to they're going to grow in the long term. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's going to happen. As we can see here, Audius or audio does have an all-time high of $4.99, and it can definitely go higher than that. So I personally believe, you guys, well, let's see here real quick, because I want to see what the market cap was around then. So we're going to go ahead and take that circulating supply of 515.745 million. Yeah, okay. And we're going to go ahead and multiply that by $4.99, okay? I already have a number in my head of where I think it can potentially go, but we'll see here real quick. So when it was $4.99, it probably had a market cap of roughly around $2.5 billion, okay, you guys? Now, me personally, in total honesty, I really honestly believe that Audius, this is an awesome project. I don't know if you guys have looked into it or not, but I don't have time to, go through the actual project details and stuff like that. But it's a great project. You need to look into it. It's definitely got a lot of potential in the long term. Honestly, I personally believe that Audius or audio has the potential to reach a market cap levels of roughly $5 billion in the long term. I mean, it could even go higher than that. But, me, I like to stay on the safe side rather than the sorry side. So I personally believe it can go to at least $5 billion long term. No ifs, no ands, no buts. Definitely get there at some point in time. So we're going to see what the potential price would be around that time if it reaches a market cap level of that high. And obviously, you guys, in the long term, let's say it happens in 5 years from now, the circulating supply is not going to be 515 million. It's going to be probably a little higher than that because more and more people are going to be buying them. So we are going to go ahead, for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and go with, we'll go with 625 million tokens, okay? So we'll take 625 million, and we'll start multiplying numbers and seeing how high we can go before we get to a market cap of, a market cap of $5 billion. So if we were to take when the circulating supply reaches a level of 625 million tokens, You know, if it went to the all-time high again, let's see what that market cap would be. Times 4.99, we'd come out with a market cap of roughly $3.1 billion. So we're still roughly about $2 billion less of where we want to be here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try $7 real quick. So we'll take 625 million tokens again, you know, and we will multiply that by $7, okay? So we come out with a market cap of roughly $4.375 billion. That's still shy of where I'm looking at. So we will take that again, 6.25 million, and we will multiply that by, let's go, obviously not, it can't go $10 because, obviously I'm not going to say $10 because that'd be roughly like a $6 billion market cap. So I'm thinking maybe 850, something around there, maybe. It's a little too high, so a little less than that. So we'll take 625 billion again, and we'll try $8.25. Still a little high. We'll try $8. Okay, 625 million. Hopefully this is it. 625 million tokens multiplied by $8. There we go. That's the number I'm looking for, you guys. All right, so for the sake of this video and my long-term price prediction, I'm going to go ahead with a long-term price prediction for the audio token at $8 even, okay? So now we want to see what a good potential return on your investment would be if you held on to it for the long term and did nothing with it. And you know, you guys, yeah, I mean, for just buying and holding long term, there's really little, there's like really little to no risk to doing that at all. So it really is, I mean, it really is. There's no risk to it whatsoever. So it's pretty easy money to come by. So we're gonna take $10,000, okay? So if you were to go into it with $10,000 and divide that by $1.64, you'd come out with roughly 6,097 tokens, okay? So 6,097 tokens, and then we're gonna go ahead and multiply this by $8. And we're going to come out with $48,000. So you make a good solid $38,000 return on your investment. Now, if you're the type of person where you don't like to take a lot of risk and you just want to buy and hold for the long term, this is a good solid long-term investment here, you guys, especially if it goes to, you know, especially if considering that it is very possible for, you know, a project like this to reach a market cap level of $5 billion in the long term on, you know, in its next all-time high. So ultimately, you guys, it's a solid gain for a long-term hold. I mean, there are better options out there, but this is definitely, you know, I see no problem with this, you know, this number as being a good long-term, what do you call it? A good long-term, investment here. So, all right, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video though. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.